Today, we are talking about the bridal department. I heard that in February we will be working on a bridal project for a wedding together. So first, I would like to introduce the Canva whiteboard feature and the Canva spreadsheet feature to help organize the project, brainstorm ideas, manage tasks. I think I will ask you to use Canva as preparation to advance the entire project. Ideas for wedding performances on the whiteboard. At a place called Whitechapel Wedding. The idea is a dessert buffet. I thought the theme was white, so maybe it's winter. I want to make chocolate fondue with chocolate. I don't use Canva much, but it has features like sticky notes. I thought it was a great feature, with a lot of various functions that allows for exchanging opinions with many people. What I found difficult was, I felt that, since I'm not very good with machines, the way to operate it was challenging, but even so, I realized that if I pressed the sticky note part and moved the cursor, I could manage it. I thought that aspect was simple and nice. I had done things like the sticky note function in other classes, but I didn't know that you could insert videos or access it from a smartphone. So I think that's something I've learned to do. The consistency of the design is becoming important. What direction we will take towards the wedding ceremony, in order to clarify the design taste. I hope we can learn to visualize it as a team by bringing everything together in one place. Right now, I'm trying out various text options available on Canva. I aspire to be a dress stylist. When it comes to weddings, I think many people, both women and men, tend to focus on the costumes, not only on the wedding day in the dress. But I want you to enjoy the moments of choosing it as well. I often think what a wonderful memory it is. I want to become a stylist who can create a space where everyone can share their stories. By using AI and similar technologies, things that only specialists could do in the past have become easy for anyone to accomplish. I believe that by harnessing such power, the possibilities for ideas that we had previously given up on will continue to increase. So please pursue various challenges based on your thoughts. What I learned today is definitely how to advance something as a team. I think that when everyone becomes a working adult, being able to do rather about alone, progressing as a team, advancing a project that we create together. I hope you can make good use of such things. The wedding venue where I work is one where everyone comes together to create a single wedding. By using Canva in such situations, we can gather everyone's opinions and create a cohesive idea. I think that's possible. Thank you for watching.